Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted to take a few minutes to read you the morning message since we won't have live morning meeting today. Okay, here it is. Ooh, let me swing it around. All right, here we go. All right, so, I think I need to, okay. I think I finally got it. Today's date is 4/28/20. Dear class, good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. You will work with time today. What type of animal teeth would you want? Love your teachers. So the past three live morning meetings, I read you the book, What If You Had Animal Teeth? And we learned about all different types of animal teeth and what they do and what makes them special. So today I want you to leave me a comment under this morning message and tell me what type of animal teeth would you want and why? And you can pick an animal in the book or an animal that's not in the book, any animal you want. But I'm wondering why you would want that animal's teeth. All right, you guys, I also wanted to say happy birthday to Jack this morning. Today is Jack's 7th birthday. Jack, we hope you have an awesome birthday today. We'll miss seeing you today, buddy. Have a great day, okay? All right, so then below that, I put some coins down here. Oops, and I forgot my marker. Hang on one second. Okay, I'm back. So I grouped these coins together with coins that are just like them. So if you look at this group of coins right here, what type of coin is this? Do you remember? Is it a penny, a nickel, a dime, or a quarter? So these are dimes. They are worth 10 cents each. Dimes are worth 10 cents. So I'm just going to write dimes. Okay, they are, so one dime would be worth 10 cents. Okay, so if I have 5 dimes and they are all worth 10 cents, how much money are they worth all together? Well, I would count by tens to find out, right? Because it's 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 times is 50 cents all together. Okay, so let's take that away. So we'll say up here 10 cents dimes. So we remember how much one dime is worth. All 5 are 50. Now, what type of coin is this right here? There are 4 of them. This is a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? Nickel. 1 nickel is 5 cents. 5 cents. So if I have 4 nickels and they are worth 5 cents each, what would we have to do to see how much they are all together? It would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, right? So I could count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 4 nickels are 20 cents. 20 cents. What about down here? What do I have down here? These are pennies, of course. P-E-N-N-I-E-S, pennies. And we know that pennies are 1 cent each. So if I have 5 pennies, they are all 1 cent each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's definitely the easiest. I count by ones. 5 of them, 5 cents. And I also want you to notice my pennies. How many heads and how many tails? Can you tell on the screen? I see 4 heads and 1 tail. For my nickels, I see 3 heads and 1 tail. And my dimes, I see 4 heads and 1 tail. And so now this last group of coins is what? These are quarters. Quarters, and we know that quarters are 25 cents each. 25 cents. I have 3 heads and 1 tail. Let's just do this to separate. Okay, there we go. Okay, so if I have 4 quarters and they're 25 cents each, we learned this in school, but this one's a little trickier to remember. So it goes 1 quarter is 25, 2 is 50, so 25, 50. 3 is 75, and 4 is $1, which is the same as 100 cents. And when I write $1, I do it like this. I put an S with a line through it for the dollar sign, and then a 1. So I put the dollar sign before the number instead of after the number, like when I do cents. So that stands for $1, which is the same as 100 cents. Okay? All right, you guys, I hope you have an awesome day today. I will be doing your small group math today, so if you'd like to join me at your normal time, I will see you then. Have an awesome day.